This 5-minute solution will show you how to give access to LinkedIn Campaign Manager. First of all, you have to copy the LinkedIn profile URL whom you want to give Campaign Manager access. In my case, I'm going to copy my LinkedIn profile URL, and now you have to click on advertise. If you can't find this advertise option here, then go to the for business section and here you will get advertise. So click on it. Once you are here, select your LinkedIn ad account where you created your campaign. And now click on account settings, click on manage access, click on add user and paste here the profile link whom you want to give access. Select the profile or account and click here and select the role you want to give to the user. Click on add, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.